I cannot invite him up on stage without recognizing what a huge contribution he has made to Indian music. So as you may already know, our guest tonight is a gifted composer and singer who has made a remarkable impact on the Indian music industry. His impressive portfolio includes memorable tracks from films like Ashiki 2, Kapoor and Sons, and Badrinath Ki Dulhania, showcasing his exceptional versatility and creativity. Please join me in welcoming back to the IIMUN stage the melodious Mr. Amal Malik. Amal, you are completing 10 years of composing. Guys, 10 years.
I'm sure this is something my team has told you because I don't want to be known as a 10-year-old already.
No, but I want to ask you, it's been a decade, yeah? You have created such a sensation in the industry, in the music business, with the audiences. How are you feeling at this particular moment in time?
I had a song released just 4-5 days back, so I think I've just debuted. I don't think 10 years have gone. But looking at the love and, when I was entering also today, so many people were like shouting my name, shouting the song names. It feels amazing. I actually jumped to film music, and all these journeys that I've taken within this Bollywood music space have been most importantly for my father. I'm part of a legacy of some great musicians, but somehow I feel my dad needed me to step up and shine for him. So I made that journey in films happen. Now I'm doing a lot of my pop music, looking at my own independent label and imprints and doing those things. I started a label with my father 2 years ago, just in the lockdown. And for all kids that don't get an opportunity with the bigger labels of our country, I urge all of them to come to this label and release the music of their heart.
Okay, so that is amazing. Can we please give that a huge round of applause?
Thank you. So the 10 years have taught me that it's not easy for anyone who's in, even from a lineage like mine or who's from outside. Obviously, we have like a foot in the door moment where, people recommended us, or maybe someone knew that we are so-and-so person's kids. But it's always the work that speaks. And I debuted in the biggest film with Mr. Salman Khan, but I gave the worst music in that album. And I didn't do well there. So it was important to fail in the first few films. And then Suraj Dubai happened for me. And MS Dhoni happened, Airlift. Lot of great memories, lot of good music. And I want to thank all the lyric writers who wrote such wonderful words with me, and all the directors that gave me some good scripts to make music on. So thank you to everyone. I wouldn't be here without even the young Amalians and Armanians and Armalians, the Venn diagram of both the brothers who have loved our music. And a big thank you. I think that's all that we need, your love to make even better music.
Wow. Okay, I want to just ask you, you spoke of failure and you said that your initial entry into the industry was not met with the kind of love that you wanted. But I really want to ask you, given that you have a legacy that is a really big one to live up to, and you have now, I want to know, in those initial moments, what was the one thing that kept you going?
So the time when I did this movie, I was 23.
Wow, 23?
I did Jai Ho, a movie of Salman Khan directed by Sohail Khan at the age of 23, 22 was when I was making the music. But I got really badly written off by a lot of, and there was no PR as such. And still there isn't. Like, it's only ki haan gana release ho raha tha, I go into that. But there's a lot of writing off that happened. And it was very difficult for me, I'll be honest. If people here who are listening and beginning their first few steps in any line, I think everyone is out to first say कि तुम्हें अपना काम नहीं आता. People wait for that opportunity to say that. Even more so because a rich musical legacy that I come from, Shri Sardar Malik, my grandfather, he debuted in almost 1953
Wow.
as a music composer. 51, 53, around then. Then my uncle debuted in 1977, Anu Malik. My father did in 2001, and they've had their share of hits and really good music. So somewhere, you know, in my first album, I didn't know what is this commercial aspect of making music or doing. I just made music from my heart, but it didn't reach out. And I realized that, you know, I used to read newspapers and they used to say, not a chip of the old block can't make tan tana tan tara like his uncle, or a thoda sa pyar hua like his dad. So it demoralized me. I'll not lie that I was all okay about it. I literally decided, I called my Masi in New Zealand and I said, I'll come and sell burgers at McDonald's because music is not happening. And I started literally losing hope. And I felt, you know, I started playing music at the age of 8. And here at 23, 15 years later, I've been choosing music, but it seems like music is not choosing me. So I was like, maybe I should do something else. And I don't know how. I debuted. I went back to becoming an assistant, started asking for work again. And none of my, the composers I was working for, I was replaced overnight. There were so many people who wanted to be assistants. I worked with Salim Suleiman, Sandeep Chowta, really big composers. So there was no way to go back also. I was stuck. And then I would say a magical song happened. And even then my mom also was not believing. My laptop pe rehta tha, she's like, ye Facebook karna band karo. But she never knew that on that laptop only songs like Naina nu pata hai or Suraj dooba hai yaro, all this was happening. So I think even sometimes even the people we love, the family, everyone sometimes starts feeling कि तुम मेहनत इतना नहीं कर रहे हो. But there's a time, there's a space for everything to, I think, stand and take its place. So maybe that was not my time initially. And now seeing the kind of love, I'll tell you a very simple incident which keeps me going today. Then it was this song. You know, I'd made a promise that if this song works, I remember even telling the owner of T-Series, Mr. Bhushan Kumar, I said, if this doesn't work, I've applied for a degree in something in New Zealand and I'll work on a petrol station or sell burgers, but music nahi karenge. Because bahut ho gaya. Literally, that was my decision. But the song became so popular. It's 10 years to Suraj Dooba also along with me. And even today, every Friday night, some friend sends me a story and they're like, it's still playing here. So at that point of time, I think the song was everything. That piece of music inspired me not to give up. And recently I did a small concert in a place called Malda, close to Kolkata. It had about 50,000 people who came to see me. And there was a young kid who told me that, you know, I first heard you when I was 9 or 10 years old. And I am 20 today. And I've grown up on your music. So what people have been for, you know, people like my generation, it's been like Pritam or Rahman and Nadeem Shravan, Anu Malik, all of these musicians. Somewhat this journey is becoming close to these legends. Obviously, I can't take my name with them, but I feel that kind of love and adulation that they have had in their times. I think I am a musician that people are loving, and that love is enough for me to go on.
Well, that's
Sorry, thoda lamba ho gaya.
But you know, I want to ask you one more thing. What you just said, they're very wise words. And I know that wisdom comes with age. And 10 years into the business, after having felt like you were rejected, and then sticking out, and finally finding your voice, finding love, acceptance, popularity, and now clearly madness. I want to ask you, you can see that journey from the other side right now. But at that moment, at 23, those words are not easy to sort of, you know, I know that they can really make or break someone's spirit.
Completely. I think I read this article which said not a chip of the old block. Then I used to see some TV news channel. I'm forgetting the name because I really take names. And like I've been so myself within this industry, which is so very diplomatic and politically correct. I've bashed a lot of people for the right things, but I'm forgetting the news channel's name. But they really every second, third day they would play a song of mine and then say, now not repeated in the next Salman Khan films, now replaced in the next cycle. Do you think this guy has it in him? So I think a lot of people around us, you know, will do this. It is, and it's important also. You know, it shows you the reality of the world. It shows you that people, before you start, also want to pull you down.
Yes.
So initially it really pulled me down, but I think I took that and fired myself up कि चलो गाने से ही जवाब देंगे.
अरे
It
वाह.
should be, the song should be the answer.
Well, that's resilience for you, you know, something that we were discussing earlier today. Well, that's my daughter sitting right up front.
You are the chief guest today, darling.
I want to ask you one thing before I hand over, you know, you to the audience. What is the one thing, or rather, I'm going to ask you two questions. One,
You can ask me more. I've come a little late, so I can wait. No problem. The
No.
management team can also smile a bit. Don't worry.
no, the
नहीं जा रहा
question,
हूँ कहीं. Sorry.
the question I want to ask you firstly is, how do you think music connects us? How does music connect us? You know, especially in the world that we are today, where we're constantly feeling like our connections are being frayed and we're being pulled apart. How is it that music brings us closer? Or rather, how do you feel? How does music bring you closer to your audiences?
I think I see all my listeners and everyone here as an extended family to my musical universe. Like whatever I've made musically, I feel they're all extensions of the moments I've lived in life. None of my music is just scripted, I should tell you. Like even when I've done a movie like MS Dhoni, which is on someone's real life and story, if you hear the music apart from the film on the radio, a song like Besabriya or Kaun Tujhe Yu Pyar Karega, you will feel that connect, that it's from a page or a chapter from my life. So I naturally flow with these things. I think God has blessed me with that, and I think God has blessed every musician with that, कि they can put their dil ki आवाज to the world. And that is something which we as human beings are blessed. A lot of humans in the world cannot put out their feelings and have to keep them inside. Music is the most beautiful outlet where everything that I've felt in this life has become a song. And there are about 115 songs, I think, last what I checked, to my credit. And everything is a true emotion that I've felt. So music is the only way where I felt, this is how I can have a conversation with someone who maybe likes me, doesn't like me. Maybe the song will make them understand who I really am. So when people don't get me or they feel कि यार ये थोड़ा rude है या ज़्यादा सच बोलता है या गुस्से वाला है, I think the music softens their heart and brings them closer to who I am. And globally also, I think Indian music is very rich in terms of melody and lyrics. So I am someone who's been the flag bearer in the younger generation of that. Like I've tried my best to run away from doing just random DJ mixes of songs and keep that originality and keep Indian instruments and elements of India in my music. Do live music even today. 35 live musicians came through to play a song of mine called Chale Aana.
Wow.
From De De Pyar De, and all senior musicians who are like today 65, 67 years old playing violin, where we can do it through a keyboard, but the feeling to bring those humans, their energies into your song, this is how I have treated music all these years, like a prayer. So that's why I think the love transcends beyond all these years. It's reaching, all these people now suddenly stopped eating and they're listening to me, so they love me. But that's how music connects.
Guys, can I have you all? This should be a much louder applause. Khana band karo yaar.
Don't worry, even I'm hungry. We'll eat together.
Okay, so like I said, I don't want to get like shoes thrown at me. My last question to you is actually something that I would like you to tell the audience. This is a very young, impressionable, but very energized, very inspiring bunch of kids. And I know this is not your first time here, but I don't know, maybe
2017, I was
maybe
at Diamond.
some of them are seeing you here for the first time. What is the one thing that you would like to tell them about their journey that is about to begin now?
I think most importantly, I would say that you need to be fearless in whatever you're trying to do. There's going to be a lot of detractors. Sometimes the people closest to you, your friends, everyone can feel that ye nahi hoga. So that sentiment is something you have to fight every day, whether it's our industry, your industry, whether it's bringing people together. It's you know, when I think Rishabh also started this years ago, a lot of people must have told him, ki, why? What's the point? But today we can see what's the point and why so many people gather here and make this happen. Because it's beautiful, you know, and be proud of being who we are, you know, don't be ashamed of being an Indian. I think that is what you must hold high in your heart and in your head, that hum Hindustan se hai and this is how we do things. So, you know, certain things, don't forget where you come from, your roots. Don't forget to respect your parents. Be there for your family. बाकी सब ups and downs life में होते रहेंगे. If you see, I don't know, this is something which I always think, you know, when you're no more in this world, that machine in the room becomes ting. It has life only when it's going up and down. So that's how life is. So ride the waves and keep smiling.
Woo! My God, you're so wise. And, you know, I have to say, I was saying this to Rishabh earlier as well. This is my first time at IIMUN. And there is something that is wonderful about being in a room full of young people.
Completely.
You know? And I'm saying this to you as well because I'm much older than you are. You know, the thing with age is, of course, it brings wisdom and all of that, but it also leaves you a little jaded where you're like, nahi hoga yaar, kyun kar raha hai? And then to see that against all odds, right? When everyone is saying no, there's just you saying, no, yes, I'm going to do this, I'm going to do this, I'm going to do this. That persistence, it is so inspiring, and it's so nice to be in a room with people who are going to be doing a lot of that now.
I wish all of them luck. And luck is important, but we got to fight it with niyat. As they say, ki taakat ke aage niyat jeetti hai. So, you know, that's in every world, every space. So believe in yourself and keep going. And one last message I want to give, you know, regarding, because it's something that so many politicians and ministers and cultural human beings coming together to, you know, bring us together. And we're doing that as youngsters. That please help the girl child in India, because recently also what just happened is terrible to, you know, see that. Yani mere koi sisters nahi hai, but if you have sisters, you will have even a deeper understanding of this. You know, that we should really, I'm really disappointed that we are a country that's doing very well in our GDPs and this, and we're global relations and everything, boosting culture, but we are not able to protect a woman, and wo bhi someone in a medical field. And, you know, I think we should all just stand up for these things. I'm doing my bit, somehow sharing stories, putting things. Sometimes even social media platforms are banning us from doing these things. They're deleting tweets, they're deleting our stories. But keep raising your voice in whichever field you are, and stand up for the right thing, because that's the most important, guys. Baki, nothing is important.
Well, talking of using your voice, guess who's here just for that? I'm going to hand you over to your audience. Guys, can we please give it up once again to Amal Malik?
कभी कभी मेरे दिल में ख्याल आता है, कभी कभी मेरे दिल में ख्याल आता है कि जैसे तुझको बनाया गया है मेरे लिए, कि जैसे तुझको बनाया गया है मेरे लिए, हाँ मेरे लिए। बनाती है जो तू, वो यादें जाने संग मेरे कब तक चले, इन्हीं में तो मेरी सुबह भी ढले शाम ढले मौसम ढले, ख्यालों का शहर तू जाने तेरे होने से ही आबाद है, हवाए हक में वही है आते जाते जो तेरा नाम ले, देती है जो सदा हवा हवा ना जाने क्या बताए। Come on with me. ले जाए तुझे कहा हवा हवा, ले जाए मुझे कहा हवा हवा, ले जाए जाने कहा, ले जाए तुझे कहा, ले जाए जाने कहा, ले जाए तुझे कहा। ओ, 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 मन मन की सुनता जाए, सुनता नहीं मन वालों की, ओ, मन ही मन में बनाए दुनिया ये एक ख्यालों की, पास कोई आवे दूर कोई जावे, होता है क्यों ये कोई समझावे, नींद उड़ जावे चैन छड़ जावे, इश्क दी फकीरी जद लग जावे, कि तेरे लिए दुनिया छोड़ दी है, तुझ पे ही सांस आके रुके, मैं तुझको कितना चाहता, ये तू कभी सोच ना सके, कि तेरे लिए दुनिया छोड़ दी है, तुझ पे ही सांस आके रुके, मैं तुझको कितना चाहता, ये तू कभी सोच ना सके। एहसान तेरा होगा मुझ पर, दिल चाहता है वो कहने दो, एहसान तेरा होगा मुझ पर, दिल चाहता है वो कहने दो, मुझे तुमसे मोहब्बत हो गई है, मुझे पलकों की छाँव में रहने दो, तू जो नजरों के सामने कल होगा नहीं, तुझको देखे बिन मैं मर ना जाऊं कहीं, तुझको भूल जाऊं कैसे माने ना मनाऊं कैसे तू बता। With me. रोके ना रुके नैना तेरी और है इन्हें तो रहना, रोके ना रुके नैना, लग जा गले कि फिर ये हंसी राह हो ना हो, लग जा गले कि फिर ये हंसी राह हो ना हो, शायद फिर इस जन्म में मुलाकात हो ना हो, लग जा गले नजर से खुद को देख भी, है चांद में भी दाग पर न तुझ में एक भी। जो भी है सब मेरा तेरे हवाले कर दिया। जिस्म का हर रुआ तेरे हवाले कर दिया। तू जाने ना, तू जाने ना, तू जाने ना, तू जाने ना। घर से निकलते कुछ दूर चलते रास्ते में है उसका घर। पहली दफा मैंने जब उसको देखा था, सांसें गई ये ठहर रहती है दिल में मेरे। कैसे बताऊं उसे, मैं तो नहीं कह सका। कोई बता दे उसे। घर से निकलते कुछ दूर चलते रास्ते में है उसका घर। किसी रोज बारिश जो आए समझ लेना बूंदों में मैं हूं। सुबह धूप तुमको सताए समझ लेना किरणों में मैं हूं। कुछ कहूं या ना कहूं तुम मुझको सदा सुनते रहना। बस इतना है तुमसे कहना, बस इतना है तुमसे कहना, बस इतना है तुमसे कहना, बस इतना है तुमसे कहना। मैं रहूं या ना रहूं तुम मुझ में कहीं बाकी रहना।
I want you all to sing this one with me. Are you going to sing it?
तू आती है सीने में जब जब सांसें भरता हूं। तेरे दिल की गलियों से मैं हर रोज गुजरता हूँ। हवा के जैसे चलती है तू, मैं रेत जैसे उड़ता हूँ। कौन तुझे यूं प्यार करेगा। जिस दिन तुझको ना देखूं पागल पागल फिरता हूं। कौन तुझे यूं प्यार करेगा। Thank you so much. Lovely to be here. Thank you.